Hi, this is Scott Allen, and welcome to my course on ASP.NET MVC5. I've designed this course to give you everything that you need to start working with the MVC5 framework. In the course, we'll learn to use controllers and models and views with ASP.NET. We'll also be using the entity framework as we learn how to read, write, delete, and update data while building an application to manage restaurants. We'll also see how to enable features like client-side validation and add a few third-party libraries to an application to make the application flexible and easier to maintain. By the end of the course, you'll be ready to work on your own ASP.NET MVC application and move on to other courses here at Pluralsight, courses that specialize in building APIs with the MVC framework and testing and building single-page applications. Let's get started, and I hope you'll be using Visual Studio to follow along.